Ginger, a versatile and widely used spice, has been celebrated for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. Its unique flavor and numerous potential health benefits have made it a popular ingredient in various cuisines around the world. However, for individuals with certain health issues, consuming ginger may not always be advisable. In this video, we will explore the reasons why some people should exercise caution when incorporating ginger into their diet and discuss the potential risks associated with its consumption. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. One of the most well-known properties of ginger is its ability to alleviate nausea and digestive discomfort. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and nausea caused by chemotherapy. However, individuals with certain gastrointestinal issues may experience adverse effects from ginger consumption. Conditions like acid reflux, gastritis, and peptic ulcers can be aggravated by ginger, leading to increased discomfort and irritation. Therefore, it is crucial for people with such conditions to consult with their healthcare provider before adding ginger to their diet. 2. Blood clotting and medication interactions. Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. While this can be beneficial for many people, it may pose risks for those who have blood clotting disorders or are taking blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin. Ginger's ability to inhibit blood clot formation could potentially interfere with the effectiveness of these medications, leading to complications. Individuals with clotting disorders or those on anticoagulant therapy should seek guidance from their healthcare provider to determine whether ginger consumption is safe for them. 3. Diabetes management. For individuals with diabetes, managing blood sugar levels is a top priority. While some research suggests that ginger may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, it should be consumed with caution. Ginger has the potential to lower blood sugar too much when combined with diabetes medications, leading to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Therefore, individuals with diabetes should carefully monitor their blood sugar levels and consult their healthcare team before incorporating ginger into their diet. 4. Allergies and sensitivities. Allergic reactions to ginger are relatively rare but can occur. Symptoms of ginger allergy may include skin rashes, itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Additionally, some individuals may be sensitive to ginger, experiencing digestive discomfort or heartburn after consumption. If you suspect an allergy or sensitivity to ginger, it is essential to avoid it and seek medical advice for proper diagnosis and guidance on managing your dietary choices. 5. Medication interactions. Ginger is known to interact with various medications, affecting their absorption and effectiveness. Some of the medications that can potentially interact with ginger include blood pressure medications, blood thinners, and antacids. It is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any ginger consumption if you are taking any of these medications to ensure your treatment plan is not compromised. 6. Pregnancy and fertility. While ginger has been used traditionally to alleviate morning sickness during pregnancy, its safety during pregnancy is still a topic of debate among healthcare professionals. Some studies suggest that excessive ginger consumption during pregnancy may increase the risk of preterm birth or miscarriage. Therefore, pregnant individuals should consult with their healthcare provider before using ginger as a remedy for morning sickness. 7. Overconsumption and side effects. Even for individuals without specific health issues, excessive ginger consumption can lead to side effects such as heartburn, diarrhea, and irritation of the mouth and throat. It is important to consume ginger in moderation and be mindful of its potential effects on your body. Ginger is a versatile spice with numerous potential health benefits, but it is not suitable for everyone, especially those with specific health issues. Individuals with gastrointestinal problems, blood clotting disorders, diabetes, allergies, or who are taking certain medications should exercise caution when considering ginger as part of their diet. Consulting with a healthcare provider is crucial to determine the safety and appropriate dosage of ginger for individual circumstances. While ginger can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, it should be consumed with awareness of its potential risks and benefits, ensuring the best possible outcomes for your health.